Ever dreamt of building $1 million business in a single year? It might sound ambitious, but it's entirely achievable. Author Ryan Moran outlines a 7-step blueprint in his book, 12 Months to $1 Million. Let's break it down. Step 1. Identify your niche. The foundation of any successful business is understanding your target audience. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a specific group of people with shared problems or desires. For example, instead of targeting women, narrow it down to working moms who struggle with meal planning. Step 2. Create a breakthrough product. Your product should be a solution to a problem your target audience faces. It doesn't have to be revolutionary, but it should provide value. Remember, the key is to focus on solving a specific pain point. Step 3. Build your brand. Your brand is your business's personality. It should reflect your values and resonate with your target audience. A strong brand creates loyalty and makes your business memorable. For instance, Apple is known for innovation and design, while Coca-Cola is synonymous with happiness and refreshment. Step 4. Master your launch. A successful launch can generate significant buzz and sales. Build anticipation through email marketing, social media, and content creation. Consider offering early bird discounts or limited edition products to create a sense of urgency. Step 5. Customer acquisition and retention. Acquiring customers is essential, but retaining them is equally important. Focus on building strong customer relationships through excellent customer service, loyalty programs, and personalized experiences. Step 6. Scale your business. Once you've achieved initial success, it's time to grow. This could involve expanding your product line, entering new markets, or automating processes. However, prioritize quality over quantity. Step 7. Decide your future. Reaching $1 million is a significant milestone. Decide whether you want to continue growing your business, sell it, or pursue other ventures. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. Remember, building $1 million business takes dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. Stay focused, adapt to changes, and never give up on your dreams.